Let's be honest. Everyone online says you can make money from home, but nobody breaks down how to go from broke and clueless to earning a full-time income online. If you've ever felt stuck watching others build income streams while you're scrolling aimlessly, this video is for you. Welcome to TFC, Tech and Finance Code, where we unlock real strategies to help you make money in the digital world. Today, I'll walk you through 4 game-changing stages to go from zero to scalable online income, even if you're a complete beginner. We're talking real tools, action plans, step-by-step guides, and people who've done it before you. Let's begin. Stage 1. From broke to bold. The Freelance Foundation. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you haven't monetized a skill yet. Stage 1 is about trading time for money, the fastest way to start earning online. Writing and blogging, Upwork Freelancer. Graphic design, Fiverr 99 Designs. Social media content creation, PeoplePerHour, Contra. Video editing, Fiverr, Upwork, CapCut. Data entry and virtual assistants, onlinejobs.ph, TopTal. Tools you'll need, Canva for quick design work, CapCut or InVideo for video editing, ChatGPT to assist in writing gigs, Grammarly for polishing text content, Clockify to manage freelance hours, Beginner Blueprint. Choose one skill you're either good at or willing to learn fast. Watch 2 to 3 free YouTube tutorials daily for 5 days on that skill. Create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork. Use high-ranking gig keywords. Offer your service for a low price plus fast delivery, plus revisions to build early reviews. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and repeat orders. The real-life example is Danny Margulies. He started copywriting on Upwork with 0 experience. Today, he earns over $200,000 a year from it. Don't wait to be hired. Hire yourself. Your skill is a service. Sell it. Stage 2. Escape the hustle trap. Automate with AI and e-commerce. Now that you've tasted your first dollars, it's time to scale without trading time for every penny. This is where most fail. They burn out trying everything. Stage 2 is about automation and systems. AI-powered dropshipping. Affiliate marketing with AI content. Digital product storefronts. Subscription boxes using Printful. Custom merch stores with POD plus Shopify. Tools you'll need. BuildYourStore.ai to generate full dropshipping stores with AI. AutoDS to source trending products and automate fulfillment. DSers plus Oberlo Dash for Shopify product synchronization. Hotjar or Zoho Sales IQ to track visitor behavior. AdCreative.ai for Addy designs using AI. Beginner Blueprint. Go to BuildYourStore.ai and create a niche store like pet toys or smart gadgets. Use TikTok and IG Reels for product testing. Track click-through rates using free Shopify plugins. Run giveaway promos to grow an email list. Use ChatGPT to write automated customer emails. The real-life example is Ari Sherson. He built a 7-figure dropshipping empire from one niche store by using automation and organic content marketing. AI is your employee. Train it once and let it scale your store while you sleep. Stage 3. Scaling smart, print on demand and digital creativity. This stage is about scalable income without inventory. You stop hustling per client and start earning per product sold, even while you're offline. Motivational t-shirts, print on demand via Printful plus Etsy. AI-generated coloring books, KDP plus Midjourney. Journals or planners, Canva plus Amazon KDP. Digital templates, Notion, resume kits, social media packs. Niche mock-up stores, Etsy, Gumroad. Tools you'll need, Printify plus Printful Dash to print on-demand services. Canva Pro for designs. Creative Fabrica for graphics and commercial fonts. Amazon KDP for low-content publishing. Etsy Hunt plus Everbee Dash to spy on top-performing Etsy listings. Beginner Blueprint. Research low-competition product ideas with Etsy Hunt. Use Canva to design 5 to 10 products, tote bags, mugs, wall art. Synchronize Printify with Etsy. Optimize product titles and tags using Everbee SEO suggestions. Offer bundles or free shipping to increase conversion rates. The real-life example is Cassie Johnson. She built multiple six-figure POD income streams from her Etsy store by selling funny, seasonal shirt designs made in Canva. Design once, sell forever. That's real creative freedom. Stage 4. The Brand Builder. Digital products and community. This is the elite level. You're not just making money, you're building a brand, a community, and a legacy. Stage 4 is about multiplying income through influence and digital assets. Personal finance, courses, templates, PDFs. Tech tutorials, YouTube plus Gumroad. Side hustle coaching, Notion guides, private Discord groups. Health fitness digital plans. Creator business kits, planners, trackers, swipe files. Tools you'll need, Gumroad plus Stan. To sell digital products. Teachable or Kajabi to build online courses. Notion or Google Docs to create lead magnets. MailerLite to build and monetize email lists. CapCut plus OBS Studio to record tutorials. Beginner Blueprint. Pick a skill or knowledge set people ask you about. Use ChatGPT to outline an ebook, checklist, or video course. Record bite-sized value content on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Link to your freebie to grow an email list. Launch a paid offer after 100 subscribers. The real-life example is Graham Cochran. He built a $160,000 a month business from teaching music production, then scaled it with digital courses and email automation. What you know is worth something. Package it, sell it, scale it. Let's recap your path to online income. Stage 1. Freelance your way out of broke. Stage 2. Automate with AI and e-commerce. Stage 3. Scale with print on demand and digital designs. Stage 4. Build a brand that pays forever. Which stage are you at right now? Drop it in the comments, and I'll personally reply with your next move. Subscribe to TFC, Tech and Finance Code, for more real talk, real tools, and real strategies to help you escape the 9-to-5 loop. Your time is your currency. Let's help you invest it wisely.